keeper of the Eddystone Light, and he married a mermaid one fine night. Out of this union there came three, a porpoise and a porgy, and the third was me. Yo ho ho, the wind blows free, oh for a life on the rolling sea. One night as I was trimming up the glen, singing a verse from the evening hymn.
Now the day is over.
A voice from the starboard shouted,
Ahoy!
There was my mother sitting on a buoy.